and all the TV viewers, I say hello from here, from the town of the island, because we talked to a professional who told us a little about the context about the tax reform that is going on actually in our department and what will happen if this was approved. We want to tell us what is this and exactly how it will affect all departments.
The tax reform that is now called Fiscal Sustainability Law is a necessity that our countries must have, because in these times of pandemic, governments need resources, so they get into debt with large sources such as the International Monetary Fund. And Colombia at this moment has a fiscal deficit of 110 billion pesos.
One of the most controversial points is the possibility of adding tax to more products of the family basket that today are not taxed. For this item, the government will expect to collect between 7 and 8 billion pesos. However, it is valid to take into account that our department is exempt from this tax. Therefore, how will it affect our island?
What does the government want? It is to aggregate many people and many products of the family basket that logically will affect us, because in San Andres we do not have the VAT. But it also affects us because we have to buy many articles in the interior of the country, and there they do not know the Law 47 of 1993, which is the one that makes this applicable to San Andres.
About the income tax declaration that will also be affected if the reform is approved, the professional states.
Natural persons will be taxed, but people have not understood that to declare is not to pay taxes. What they will do is to identify all Colombians, and each person must tell the state what they earned, and therefore that will help establish what will be taxed and what they must pay.
This is all the information we report from here from the town of the island. Continue listening in the studio with more information of our department.